Honestly, look how pretty this place is. I freaking love Washington. Look, there's my one wheel. Hey, so I'm graduating in a little over 3 weeks with a Bachelor's of Science in Mathematics and a Bachelor's of Art in Physics. I originally was going for a Bachelor's of Science in Physics, however, for mostly mental health reasons, but also a little bit financial, I've decided to just graduate with a BA in Physics. So instead, I am going to spend the time that I would have spent at school teaching a quantum mechanics lecture online. I will make YouTube videos about every week or so for the next 42 weeks after I graduate. So in about a month, you should expect a video once every week on a quantum mechanics topic. I will be reading from Quantum Mechanics, Theory and Experiment by Mark Beck. I personally think that that is the best quantum mechanics textbook for undergraduate, especially because in the modern day, atomic spectra aren't what's most important. It's more the quantum optics and quantum information side, which is what's presented first in this textbook. So look forward more to that. I have a calendar that a tentative calendar that I've set up, and you can view that image here. And I will try to be adhering to that. However, note that the dates are mostly to post a video by, so I could post 2 videos a week, then not post any for another week, and then post one. But on average, it should be about once a week. But I hope that this lecture series will be good, as well for you guys, but also for me. I'm kind of hoping that it will demonstrate to grad schools, if they look at this stuff, that I still know quantum mechanics, even though I won't have taken a formal course on it. History of myself, I like to teach myself a lot of things because the academic setting can be a little bit overwhelming for an autistic such as myself. And I hope to share my strengths of self-teaching to others through these videos. So look forward to it. Goodbye.